morning, good afternoon and good evening students. Today we are going to discuss about the balancing of chemical equations. So this is the very important topic in chemical equations, second lesson in your science textbook. So before we enter into this topic, let me know something basic concept of these equations. So in this equation, if you consider this is a equation. In this equation, the right side part of this equation, right side part, that means this part, right side part of this equation is known as a reactant, and left side part of the equations is known as a products. So balancing of chemical equation, that means in right side part equation lo how many metals are present and how many non-metals are there, how many hydrogen and how many oxygen molecules are there, those should be equal to the metals, non-metals, oxygens and hydrogen presented in productant side also. That means, if for example, let us consider magnesium. Magnesium, here you have 3 magnesium compounds, 3 magnesiums. In productant side only you have a 1 magnesium metal, 1 magnesium metal. So you should balance, ikkada 3 అనేది ఇక్కడ 3 magnesiums ఉంటే ఇక్కడ కూడా 3 ఉండాలి. That means how many metals and non-metals, hydrogens and oxygens present in the reactant side, it should be equal to metals presented in metals and non-metals, hydrogen, oxygens presented in product side. This is the chemical equation and balancing. So fine. So today we will going to discuss the easiest way to balance these chemical equations. First, going into the topic, we will discuss some rules and regulations to balance these chemical equations to be easy. First, you should balance. While balancing the chemical equation, first you should balance metals. First you should balance metals. And then in second step, you should balance non-metals. Then third step, you should balance hydrogen. Then last stage, you should balance oxygen. So here, what is the metal? Metal means copper, zinc and magnesium and so on. These are the example, metals example. And non-metals are chlorine, nitrogen, sulfur. These are the examples for non-metals. So first you should balance the metals. Then go for the non-metals. If non-metals are there in these equations, if there is no non-metals, then go for the hydrogen. And after balancing of hydrogen, again you should move to the first step. That means metals are balanced or not. Then again hydrogen, then oxygen. So we'll do one example, then you will know. So first you remind that first you should balance metals and then non-metals, then hydrogen, then oxygen. No doubt. First you should balance metals and non-metals, then hydrogen and then oxygen. Or else you should do, to be more easy, first after non-metal you should balance oxygen. It is very easy. Then previous condition and last hydrogen. Okay, follow these steps. We'll do balancing for this equation. Then we will get clarity how to balance it. So if it is a chemical equation, so first consider this side as a right side and left side. So first note that how many magnesiums. I'll write here. So right side and left side, magnesium and nitrogen, hydrogen and oxygen. So left side, right side. How many magnesiums are there? In this side, 3 magnesium. That side we have only 1 magnesium. And nitrogen, here we have 2 nitrogen in this equation. So 2 nitrogen, here nitrogen only 1 nitrogen. So hydrogen, here we have 2 hydrogens, and here this is considered as the 2 hydrogens. So 2 plus 3, total 5 hydrogens. And oxygen, here we have only 1 oxygen. In here we have 2 oxygen. So we should balance magnesium, nitrogen and hydrogen, oxygen. So in this equation, metal is, magnesium is a metal and nitrogen is a non-metal and hydrogen, oxygens are there. We'll do it in last, third step. So first you should balance, according to our rules, first we should balance metals. So you should balance metal. Here we have 3 magnesium compounds, step 1. So first step, we have only 3 magnesium. So here we should have 3 magnesiums. So Mg3 N2 plus H2O gives, put 3 here, Mg OH taken 2 plus NH3, that means ammonia. Okay, now check the metal status. 3 metals, 3 magnesium. So next go through, if balancing of metal is over, then go through the second step, non-metal. So non-metal, here we have only N2 non-metal, 2 nitrogen, and here only 1 nitrogen. So step 2, balancing of non-metal. So Mg3 N2 plus H2O gives 3Mg OH taken 2 plus 2 nitrogen compounds. So put 2 before it, 2 NH3. Completed. So again, go for the first step. Again, you should check metal balancing and non-metal balancing. First you should check metals, 3 magnesiums, 3 magnesium, okay, 2 nitrogens done. Next step you should balance oxygen compound, right, oxygen. So step 3, oxygen. In this side you have only 1 oxygen, in this side you have 3, 2, 6, 3 2s are, that means 2 oxygens, 3 2s are 6, 6 oxygens. So put simply 6 here, Mg3 N2 plus 6 H2O gives 3Mg OH taken 2 plus 2 NH3. Again, you should go for the first step, balancing up metals, 3Mg, good. 2 nitrogens, 5, 6 oxygens, 3 2s are 6 oxygens, over. Now balance the hydrogen part. So our fourth step, hydrogen part. Now check, 12 hydrogens are there, fine. 6 2s are 12 hydrogens are there. Here 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 12 hydrogen set. So now go. Again we will do Mg, N, H, O, left side part and right side part. How many magnesiums? 3 in this side. That side also 3 magnesiums. Here nitrogen, 2 nitrogens, and here also 2 nitrogens and hydrogen. 6 2s are 12 hydrogens. Here 3 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 6, 12 hydrogens and 6 oxygens. Here 3 2s are 6 oxygens. Set. Previous conditions we have 3 magnesiums, 2 nitrogen, 1. Here 3 to 12, 6. 1, 1, 5, 2, 3 to 12, 6. This is the balancing of chemical equations. While doing the balancing, first you should balance metals, then non-metals, and then after oxygen, and last step hydrogen. And each and every balancing of each and everything, you should go for the first step and check it. If you did balancing of non-metals, again you should go for the first step also. First step. So note down this. This is the balancing of chemical equation. Note down. Fine. So next we will go for the second equation. Second example of balancing of chemical equation. CuO plus NH3 gives Cu plus N2 plus H2O. Fine, this is our chemical equation. So compare metals. Cu is a metal. Cu is a metal. Nitrogen is a non-metal, and hydrogen is there. Fine. Cu, right. Good. So balancing of chemical equation, first we should do balance of metals. So here one copper is there. One copper set metal is balanced, and then go for the non-metals. Nitrogen, only one nitrogen is there. Here we have a two nitrogens. So simple, put 2 over here, then it is completed. 2 nitrogens. Right? So 2 nitrogen. Again, go for the first step. Copper, one copper set. Non-metal, 2 nitrogen set. Then go for oxygen. Here in this side you have only one oxygen. In this side one oxygen. It is also set. Now go for the hydrogen. Hydrogen we have 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 6 hydrogens we have. So here only 2 hydrogens we have. Here only 2 hydrogens. So put 3 over here. Fine. So 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6 hydrogens. Again balance. First step 1. Copper, one copper. Fine. 2 nitrogens. Fine. 1 oxygen. 3 oxygens. Again imbalancing. Here we have a 3 oxygens. Here we have only 1 oxygen. So keep 3 over here. Fine. Then go for again metal. Start from metal. So 3 copper, 1 copper. So balance. Put 3 over here. So again step 1. 3 copper, metal. And go for non-metal. 2 nitrogens. Done. Next oxygen. 3 oxygens. Done. 6 hydrogens and 6 hydrogens. Done. This is balanced equation. Note. So while balancing, remind first metal, then non-metal, then oxygen, then hydrogen. Always remind this thing. If you go with this procedure, it will be very easy to balance chemical equations. Okay, right. We'll take another example. Al4C3. Al4C3 plus H2O. H2O gives CH4 plus AlOH taken 3. AlOH taken 3. So if you are not able to see this, write it again. Wait. ALOH taken 3. Fine. Now metal, non-metal, oxygen, hydrogen. Metal, aluminium is a metal. We have 4 aluminiums. Here we have only 1 aluminium. Right. So first you should do balance of metals. 4 aluminium, only 1 aluminium. So before it, just keep 4. Fine. I'll write again here chemical equation. Al4C3 plus H2O gives CH4 plus AlOH taken 3. Okay. So 4 aluminiums, keep 4. So metal is balanced. 4 aluminiums, 4 aluminiums. Good. Next non-metal is carbon over here. Carbon is a non-metal. Right. So 3 carbons, only 1 carbon is there. Here we have 3 carbons, only 1 carbon is there. So keep 3 over here. So again go for step 1, metal. 4 aluminiums, done. 3 carbons, done. So completing of metal and non-metal, we will go for oxygen. So here we have only 1 oxygen. Here 3, 4, 3. That means taken 3 means this 3 belongs to H and O also. So 4 3s are 12 oxygen compounds. We have 12 oxygens over here. So keep 12. Now again go for the step 1, metal. 4 aluminiums, done. 3 carbons, done. 12 oxygens, done. The last part of balancing is hydrogen. So hydrogen, 12 into 2, 12 2s are 24, 24 hydrogens are here. Here 3 4s are 12 hydrogens and 4 3s are 12 hydrogens. That means 12 plus 12, 24 hydrogens set. So this is the balanced equation. So aluminium, we have 4 aluminiums. Next non-metal, 3 carbons, 12 oxygens, 24 hydrogens, Very good. Done. Next, we'll go through the next example. MnO4 plus MnO4 O2, we take O2, MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2, right? MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. Fine. I'll write again equation here. MnO2 plus HCl gives MnCl2 plus H2O plus Cl2. This is our chemical equation. So, metals, manganese, 1 manganese set. Right. Next, non-metals. Chlorine is a non-metal over here. Right. So 1 chlorine here, 2 chlorines, 4 chlorines you have. So keep 4 over here. 4 chlorines. Again go through the go for metals. Manganese 1 4 chlorines, 2 plus 2, 4 chlorines set. Next, Our step is oxygens. Two oxygens. Here you have only one oxygen. So to balance the oxygen, keep 2 over here. Right. To balance the oxygen, keep 2 over here. So again, go through the step 1. 1 manganese, 1 Mn, find balanced. 4 chlorine, 2 chlorines plus 2 chlorines, 4 chlorines balanced. Next, oxygens, 2 oxygens balanced. Next, hydrogen. Here 4 hydrogen compounds are there. 2 2s are 4. So equation is balanced. This is the balancing of chemical equations. So while balancing chemical equations, just remind one thing. First you should balance metals, then non-metals, then oxygen, and then after hydrogen last. So every alternate step you should go through first step only. And this is the toughest one. We'll do it. C2H6 plus C2H6 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2O. CO2 plus H2O to balance this chemical equation. We'll do it. We don't have a metals over here. Right. So leave the part of the metal. We don't have a metal, so leave it. Check non-metals. Go through the non-metals. Carbon is a non-metal. Carbon is non-metal. So in here we have 2 carbons. Here we have only 1 carbon. Right. So balance the carbon first. Non-metal. Keep 2 over here. Keep 2 over here. So 2 carbons. Done. So after completing of non-metal, we will go to oxygen. So 2 oxygen compounds. Here you have a 4 and 5 oxygen compounds. Here you have a 2 2s are 4 and 5 oxygen compounds. How to balance? If you keep 5 over here, it will become 10. Odd numbers ni mana match cheyalem. Odd numbers ni match cheyalem. మరి odd numbers ని మ్యాచ్ చేయనప్పుడు ఎలా కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇప్పుడు 5 అనేది మీరు ఏం చేసినా ఇక్కడ 5 అనేది రాదు. రైట్. 5 అనేది మీరు ఏం చేసినా ఇక్కడ 5 అనేది రాదు. మరి ఇక్కడ ఈ పార్ట్ లో చూస్తే ప్రొడక్టెడ్ పార్ట్ లో చూస్తే 5 ఆక్సిజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. 2 2s are 4. ఇక్కడ ఒక ఆక్సిజన్. సో టోటల్ 5 ఆక్సిజన్స్ ఓవర్ హియర్. బట్ హియర్ ఇఫ్ యు కీప్ 5 ఓవర్ హియర్ ఇట్ విల్ బికమ్ 10. ఒకవేళ ఇది 10 అయింది అనుకోండి. సరే ఇక్కడ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేద్దాం అనుకుందాం. 2 2s are 4. ఇక్కడ 6 పెడితే 6 plus 4 10. Right. But that is a very complicated issue. దానికంటే it's a very easy step to do it. Keep 5 by 2. ఎప్పుడైనా ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ 5 బై 2 పెట్టడంలో దాంట్లో ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. there is no mistake to do it. సో ఓన్లీ 5 by 2 అని చెప్పేసి పెట్టేసేయండి. ఇలా ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు ఆడ్ నంబర్స్ కావాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఈక్వేషన్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆడ్ నంబర్ ఒకవేళ వస్తే ఆ ఆడ్ నంబర్ బై 2 అని పెట్టి టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఇంటూ 2 చేయండి. టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఇంటూ 2 చేయండి. బై 2 అని పెట్టేసి టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని ఇంటూ 2 అని చేయండి. ఎక్కడైతే ఆడ్ నంబర్ కావాలో దట్ ఆడ్ నంబర్ బై 2 and total equation into 2. If you do into 2 of this total equation, this equation will become 2C2H6 plus 5, sorry, again 2 kada, 2 into 5 by 2 O2 gives 2 into 2CO2 plus 2 into H2O. Right. So these two getting cancelled. The equation will become 2C2H6 plus 5O2 gives 4CO2 plus 2H2. Right. Now again go to the first step. Non-metals, 4 carbons set. 5 twos are 10 oxygens, 4 twos are 8 plus 2 oxygens, 10 oxygens set. Then next last part of it is hydrogen. Here 12 hydrogens, but here we have only 4 hydrogens. Then 4 hydrogens ఉన్నాయి. మనకు కావాల్సినవి 2 6 are 12 hydrogens. సో 12 hydrogens కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ 6 పెట్టేసుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది కదా. సో 6 2s are, it will become 12 hydrogens. Fine. Now again check 4 carbons done. Next oxygens, 5 twos are 10 oxygens, 4 twos are 8 plus 6 14 oxygens అయిన ఆక్సిజన్ ఇంబ్యాలెన్స్ అయిపోయింది మళ్ళీ. సో మనకు కావాల్సింది 14 మన దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి 10. సో 5 తీసేసి 7 పెట్టేస్తే 7 twos are 14. Done. Set అయిపోయింది. Again go through the first step. Metal is not there in this equation, so go to the non-metals. 2 twos are 4 carbons done. Next 14 oxygens, 4 twos are 8 plus 6 14 oxygens done. Then last part is hydrogen. 2 6 are 12 hydrogens and 6 twos are 12 hydrogens. Set. This is the chemical equation balancing. The easiest method of chemical equations balance చేసేటప్పుడు రైట్ సైడ్ పార్ట్ లో ఎన్నైతే రియాక్టెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయో, అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ ఎన్నైతే మెటల్స్, నాన్ మెటల్స్, ఆక్సిజన్స్, హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉన్నాయో అన్నీ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పార్ట్ లో కూడా సేమ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ ఆక్సిజన్, హైడ్రోజన్స్ అండ్ మెటల్స్ అండ్ నాన్ మెటల్స్ ఉండాలి. దాన్నే కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ అని అంటారు అన్నట్టు. సో అది ఈక్వేషన్, దట్ మీన్స్ ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా చెప్పాలంటే ఒక తక్కెడలో పెడితే ఇది తక్కెడలో పెడితే ఈ రెండు సేమ్ రావాలి, ఒకటి తక్కువ ఒకటి ఎక్కువ రావద్దు అన్నట్టు. ఓకే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా చెప్తున్నాను నేను మీకు. సో ఒకటి తక్కువ ఒకటి ఎక్కువ కావాలి. సో దట్స్ ద రీజన్ ద బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ అన్నట్టు. ఇది బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ ఆఫ్ కెమికల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్. సో బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ చేసే ముందు మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాల్సిన విషయాలు ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ మెటల్స్ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయండి, తర్వాత నాన్ మెటల్స్ని బ్యాలెన్స్ చేయండి. నాన్ మెటల్స్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మెటల్ స్టెప్ని చెక్ చేసుకోండి. అప్పుడు మెటల్స్ నాన్ మెటల్స్ రెండు బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంటే గో ఫర్ ఆక్సిజన్. మళ్ళీ ఆక్సిజన్ బ్యాలెన్స్ చేసిన తర్వాత మెటల్ నాన్ మెటల్ని మళ్ళీ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఈ మూడు బ్యాలెన్స్ ఉంటే గో టు ద హైడ్రోజన్. సో స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వెళ్ళాలి, ఒక్కొక్కటి స్టెప్ 1, స్టెప్ 2, స్టెప్ 3, స్టెప్ 4 స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ చేస్తే ఇట్ విల్ బి ద ఈజీ. అంటే ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఎక్కడన్నా ఆడ్ నెంబర్ వస్తే దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఈజియెస్ట్ మెథడ్, డూ ఇట్. ఎక్కడన్నా ఆడ్ నెంబర్ వస్తే ఆడ్ నెంబర్ బై 2 అని పెట్టేసి టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని మల్టిప్లికేషన్ 2 చేసేయండి, మల్టిపుల్ బై 2 చేసేయండి. దాంట్లో ఎటువంటి తప్పు లేదు. అవుట్పుట్ మీకు కావాల్సింది ఆన్సర్. మనం అట్లా మల్టిపుల్ చేసినా కానీ మనం ఇంకా బ్యాలెన్సింగ్ చేసినాం ఈక్వేషన్. సో అవుట్పుట్ వి నీడ్ ఏ ఆన్సర్. దట్స్ ద రీజన్ ఎక్కడన్నా ఆడ్ నెంబర్ రావాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు దట్ ఆడ్ నెంబర్ బై 2 అని పెట్టేసి ఆ టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని మల్టిపుల్ 2 చేసేస్తే ఈక్వేషన్ అనేది ఈజీగా బ్యాలెన్స్ అవుతుంది. అలా చేయడంలో ఎటువంటి తప్పు లేదు. ఫైన్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ టుడేస్ అవర్ టాపిక్. This is Yogi Raj Mahesh Vaidya signing out. Bye bye. Take care.